Hi, I'm Greg from Pivot Stove and Heating, and we're in a bit of a special location here. We're here in Geelong with Mick. Thank you for inviting us to your house. You've had this beautiful fireplace installed in your house for, you're telling me, what, 3 years?
3 years, yeah.
And we've just installed the brand new draft boosters. Now, you've only been running this for a couple of days now. What's the difference you notice with the draft booster on your foot?
Well, straight away, you can, as you're standing here now, that you can't smell any smoke at all.
None at all.
The biggest problem we were having was through the night as it would cool down and the temperature would drop out of the firebox. The smoke would start to literally come out the vents, through the doors, and just fill the house up, and it was scary. Like the first few times it would happen. You'd wake up in the morning, feeling like you smoked a packet of cigarettes, and we got on Google and found that you had these fans coming in, so we spoke to AIM and she was great, she was easy. We're here now and 2 nights in and not one single bit of smoke. I just put it on to low speed at night, and then when it starts getting smoke in there, it just sucks it straight out the top. It doesn't push it out through the vents, just keeps a draft.
The heat out of this is phenomenal, and the house is a beautiful size home. You're finding overnight, it's really held the temperature in here as well, hasn't it?
It has, yeah, because number one, we can actually keep it going at night now, so all the hard work through the day, we don't have to let it go out to keep it safe. And secondly, I actually think it's burning hotter since that's been put on than it is beforehand. By now the glass will be completely black, but you can see it's actually quite see-through still, so it's made a big difference.
So if you're like Mick and been putting up with a smoky fire for years and you've had enough, check out Pivot Stove and Heating's range of draft booster solutions. They're available through any of our dealers right around Australia.